ask Nimesh if he's picking up something from the phone calls he's making and what he's hearing, because Nimesh, I mean, this is happening as I'm assuming you were sitting down and miking up, so I don't know what you are hearing about this. Go on.
Well, Prashant, as we speak, the Nifty is up 200 points, but it's such a volatile day of trade. Just an hour back, the Nifty was down almost 150 points. So we've seen this 200 points swing on the Nifty itself at least 4 times in a day today. So that's the kind of volatility we've seen in the market. So I don't know how traders are trading this market. I mean, good luck to them if they're making money in such volatile markets. So again, from a purely Nifty point of view, I guess we are closer to that upper end of that resistance of 22,400 level. So need to see as to how that stands out. So maybe the last 20 minutes could be quite crucial there. But from a flow perspective, again, it's a mixed day of trade. We've seen the trend of FI selling, so that continues. But selectively from a domestic side, there is buying into select metal limbs as well as the auto stocks as well. While the Nifty has seen a big move throughout the day, the consistent outperformer has been the broader market stocks. A lot of broader market stocks have outperformed again in today's market, and we are seeing big reactions to the earnings as well. So HAL is up 10% after very strong numbers. At the same time, GAIL is down 4% on a slightly subdued number. So the sharp earnings reactions continue, but this kind of volatility has been massive. Like almost every hour we've seen a 200 points rally on the Nifty. So that's the kind of a day which we are countering in today's market.
Absolutely, Nimesh. And that 3 p.m. factor that we always talk about on expiry days, I mean, today it really showed up, right? Because this was a complete pole vault. And stocks are still gaining ground. I mean, including some of the names like an LTI Mindtree, L&T. These stocks are still sort of rising higher even as we speak. By the way, the Nifty now is trading off the 20 DMA and the 50 DMA with this sudden pole vault that's happened. Both those levels come in around the 22,300 mark, and we are trading a good 100 points above that. Now, Nimesh, that's the market. It's absolutely crazy volatile. What about individual stock names? What's the buzz like today?
Well, the first stock on my list today is Apollo Tyres. The stock has sharply come off days high. Despite multiple upgrades post numbers and post management commentary and buy flows as well, I think the street is fearing now a large block deal very soon. The private equity investor holds a large chunk, and there is a buzz that maybe they would sell up part of it in a block deal very soon. So that's the reason why that stock has sharply come off days high. The second stock is CG Power. Even that stock is under pressure today, largely on the back of multiple block deals. I understand the domestic mutual fund was a seller in today's block, so the disclosures could be quite interesting in CG Power today. The third name is Sona BLW. That's been consolidating of late, but now I understand the selling pressure from a leading domestic mutual fund is largely over in Sona BLW. So watch out for delivery-based trades in Sona BLW. And the last one is Manappuram Finance. That's been buzzing in trade today on back of pure, very strong buy flow. So looks like some bit of FI interest is back in Manappuram at these levels.
Thank you very much for that. Mitesh is now